Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Marian Mansing from Abiliana National School. So today I'm going to share my advocacy to nature as a student. I always felt I needed to do something big in order to really make a difference and to help our nature from dying. But for now, I'm just a student. So, as a student, the only the only thing or the best thing that I can do to help our nature is being responsible and do nothing but to treat our nature with respect. We humans are being cruel to our earth with our selfish activities, and we self and every day we produce tons of degradable and non-degradable waste and throw it anywhere. We are disposing of drainage and even chemical recklessly. We all know that all activities that I have mentioned earlier is not good for our nature, and if we aren't concentrating on saving our nature, maybe in the future, the next generation can get sick easily because of the poor air quality. We don't want this to happen, so in order to help our nature as a student, we should use reusable bags because plastic grocery type bags can get thrown anywhere, especially in the lake, can clog sewage pipe and drainage canals, and ultimately pollute the water. Recycling is such a simple thing and to do, but recycling is such a simple thing to do, but so many people don't do it. Usually, always separate biodegradable and non-biodegradable. We all know that trash or garbage can cause a really big problem in and it can also affect to our nature. And so we should use the 3 R's, which is the reduce, reuse, and recycle. This is the 3 R's that use to prevent waste and conserve natural resources. That's all.